In this tutorial, I will show you how to scrape Swiggy. Let's begin by installing Selenium. Just open your terminal or command prompt and run the command pip install Selenium. Once that's ready, we import the necessary packages, the Selenium WebDriver, By, and Keys classes, along with the time module for pauses and JSON for saving our results. Next, we launch a Chrome browser instance with webdriver.chrome. In this example, we want to search for burgers, so we open a Swiggy URL that points to its search page and pass burgers as the query parameter. Now, before we can see the results, we need to set a delivery location. To do that, we inspect the page and find a button inside the global navigation bar. In the HTML, it has a role attribute set to button. Using that attribute, we select it with Selenium's find_element method and then click. Once the location pop-up appears, we inspect again. There's an input box with a placeholder containing the phrase search for area. We grab that input field with an XPath targeting the placeholder text and then send in our postal code. After a short pause, the page shows a list of locations. Inspecting the structure, we find an element that has a class containing the word icon_location. That's our clickable item. We select it with by.xpath method and then click. With the location set, we reload our search results by inspecting the search bar. It's an input field whose value equals our search term, burgers. We send an Enter key press to that field so the results update. Now we can start extracting data. When we inspect the dish cards on the results page, we find that each one is wrapped inside a div tag with a data test ID attribute set to search-pl-dish-first-v2 card. Using this attribute, we collect all dish elements with find elements. Each card's text gives us multiple pieces of information separated by line breaks. We split that text into lines and then parse details such as the restaurant name, which appears at the top and starts with by, the rating, delivery time, and the dish name itself. The category and description are buried in a longer line separated by dots, so we split that string and then isolate the portion after the word description. We also capture the price, which is listed a few lines below. For each dish, we package this information into a dictionary and add it to a list. Finally, we save everything by opening a file in write mode and then dumping our list into it with indentation so the file is nicely formatted. And that's it. By inspecting the page structure carefully and using attributes like role, placeholder text, class names, and data test ID values, we've automated a complete workflow: opening a browser, setting a location, running a search, extracting dish details, and saving them for later use.